Hi, hello. Welcome back to Java Talkies. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a Mono publisher from future, from runnable, and from method. In the last video, we discussed about creating the Mono publisher using create method from supplier and from callable, and what is the difference between from callable and from supplier. So if you guys not watched the previous video, please watch it. So I'm adding the link in the description. Okay, let's jump into code. So I'm creating a method from future. From future to create a Mono publisher from Java 8 asynchronous support feature, we need to use Mono.fromFuture method. So here, for example, so I'm creating a asynchronous method like using completable feature. So it is a concurrent one dot completable feature dot supply asynchronous. Here, so I'm returning a mm, signature. I'm returning a string by calling getName method. So, for example, assume the in a real time. So it is a we need to get a data from any third party API. So in that case, it will take some time, right? So we need the return type of the that API. So in that case, we can use from future. Okay. Uh, so Mono dot from future. So it's from future method expecting completable future as the argument. So we created a completable future, right? In the above. So I'm passing completable future. Okay. So it will return dot Mono future. So I'm going to test that from Mono future using step verifier Mono future dot expect next. So what it will return completable feature. So string, right? So that is Java Talkies. The getName method will return Java Talkies as a string dot verify complete. So in order to test it, we need to add iterate test annotation from Jupyter. So I'm running it. See here, test case passed from future, and here we can see. So it is called asynchronously getName called and on subscribe request on next on complete. So when it is completed, for example, if you want So this is the completable feature. We can create it. The second one, from runnable. So the from runnable. So there is a, for example, the process of creating the Mono publisher as asynchronous using Java 8. So we can go with the from future. In some cases, if you have a task that takes a long time to process and you want to be notified when the data when task is finished, in that case we can use from runnable method. But runnable does not receive any parameters and does not return any value. So this is the difference between from future and from runnable. So I'm creating a method from runnable. So here mono dot from runnable get name dot, it will return from runnable. Okay, so in order to test it, we need to add the test. So as we discussed, the from runnable, it will does not return any value and does not accept the receive any parameter, right? So I'm trying to get a name, this output. So step verifier dot create from runnable dot expect next Java Talkies dot verify complete. So I'm trying to run it. We will see what is the output. So get name called, but coming if you see the out test case, the test case is failed because we are expecting the result, right, output. So that's why it is failed. So actually from runnable, it does not accept any parameter and does not return any value. So for example, we have a case like uh, one like scheduler or anything. So one process needs to run a long time. In that case we can use from runnable method in order to uh, run asynchronously. Okay, so this is the method we can use it. And the last one, from method mono from, I'm creating a method called mono dot from. So the mono dot from method, it is expect a publisher as a argument. So uh, passing mono dot just get name. Yes, I want to return it. So there's no need. Okay, no need to return it. So from is a method. So it is expecting a publisher argument. Okay, so it is same as just, but in the coming to just it is expect argument as a data, but coming to from it is expect argument as a publisher. So that is the main difference between from and just method. So we need to test it. In order to test it, so we need to create mm, step verifier dot create using from argument, expect next Java Talkies dot verify complete. So I'm minimizing it. Test. Okay, I'm running the from Mono from method. So you can see the output. So I will add dot log. So the test case passed. The output also we got the results. Java Talkies and complete. Okay guys, so these are the methods. We can create a mono publisher. So we have few other methods like just or empty, like we can see Mono.just or empty. So we can pass optional as an argument. So these are the methods we can. So already we discussed just method. It is same as just or empty. So like this we have few more methods. So already most of the methods we covered. So in the next video, we will discuss so when we have to use which method, when we have to use uh, like what is the situation where we have to use which method. So those differences we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Please share if you like. Please click on like button and share it. If you have any doubts, so please add a comment. Thank you.